Is your sex drive changing and you are wondering if it's just you? Let's do some real talk today. Your sexual desire might definitely change during menopause. That's totally normal. And no, it does not mean something is wrong with you. During the perimenopausal period, your hormones shift, especially the estrogen and testosterone. And those changes that can affect your desire, arousal, and even your energy. This is completely normal. Hormones influence how you feel and how you do. There can be your sexual desire, and this is completely expected during this phase of life. Your body is not failing you. Changes in sexual desire are just a natural part of your menopause. So, if you are noticing changes in your desire, don't panic. You got to track your pattern, communicate with your partner, and talk to your doctor if you are concerned. Was it helpful? Let us know in the comments. Follow Healthy Info for more science-backed tips. We got you.